Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no.
Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, as you guys can see by the title, I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve these Bantu knots. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, please be sure to keep watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, and let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna start by unraveling these old braids that I had in my hair for a couple of days now. So I'm just gonna unloose it and we'll get started.
All day long, your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
To achieve today's hairstyle, we're going to be needing a wide tooth comb, a small tooth comb, some gel, and some beeswax. I'm going to start by dividing my hair into two sections.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat.
Now I'm quickly going to detangle my hair before we get into our first Bantu section.
To me, love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. I can't deny, I got a crush on you. That's true, I'm digging you. You make me believe your love is one in a million.
Once we have our first section, we're going to quickly detangle it, add some gel, divide it into two, and twist all the way to the end.
Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Then dip me underway. You can feel my mind for flow. Hold me till I scream for every.
Once we're finished twisting, I'm going to hold the base and the end of my hair, and I'm just going to start wrapping all the way around. Now we're just going to repeat those same steps throughout the rest of our head.
Right up to the Get that ooh, baby. Big ass, get that ooh. Big ass, get that ooh, baby. Big ass, get that
Okay guys, this is the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, leave a video suggestion down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.